And then, finally, goes to our course objective. What is this course about? So, course objective. As I said, the course, the name, although the name is physical properties, in reality we are concerned with two things. One is so-called kinetics. Kinetics means how fast the stuff happens. And the other one is what we call phase transformation, going from one phase to another phase. Okay? That's what we care about. And involving different phenomena. We'll talk about these later in detail. Diffusion. You probably all know of diffusion a little bit. Now we're going to take a slightly in-depth look of the diffusion phenomena because it's ubiquitous, it's everywhere, it's so important. Okay? And interfaces. So-called green boundaries. How do we understand green boundaries? So-called surfaces. What are the energy associated with those interfaces? And how do they move? Are they always the same or do they change? Okay? The motion. The so-called phase transformation, we're going to look at the solidification. Solidification means going from what phase to what phase? Liquid to solid. We're going to look at that process. One type of phase transformation. And then we're going to look at nucleation growth phenomena. Very important. And phase transformation. That's the objective. And of course, we hopefully provide so-called graduate level training. Not undergraduate, graduate level training, especially in terms of this review, this term paper, this peer review, rebuttal, this exercise. Graduate level, okay. Thinking, mathematical derivation. Not only, okay, this is the equation, but where does this equation come from? How do we use them? How do we link this equation to different material phenomena? Okay? And related to these. And of course, for program outcome, okay? For program outcome, we have different stuff. We have mathematics. We want to use mathematics. We want to be able to formulate problem. We're going to see how other people construct the different models. How do you construct your own models? Okay? And communicate. In this course, we don't have oral presentation, but your written presentation, which is your term paper, is